Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. In today's video, I am doing a collaboration with TiaBellaBeauty right here on YouTube. You guys go check her out. This is going to be some sort of a like mystery nail design. I have to design something that I think that she would wear and design herself. So, if you do not know her or her YouTube channel, go check her out. Like I said, her name is TiaBellaBeauty. Now, I have been looking and looking and looking at her YouTube channel. I watch every single video that she uploads. She loves glitter. She loves chunky charms. So, I've been looking at her Instagram and her YouTube channel, trying to figure out what I want to do. She uses, now another thing with her, she does like really good gem placement. So I'm going to try to do that on one of the nails. She does like some really awesome stuff, you guys. Go check her out. See how pretty? It's just so different and I love that about her. Now she does use a lot of gel polish, so we may break out some gel polish. But in today's video, I think we'll be using Makartt products. The only thing that I won't be using that is not Makartt are the tips. Tia wears a lot of coffin and square tips, so I have chosen for the 5XL square. But you know, Couture does love glitter, so I figured I would use some of this glitter here from Makartt. Take my Makartt base coat. So I'm just going to apply the base coat to the underside of this one and to the underside of this one. Start placing it on the inside of the nail. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do a freeze cure on those. And now I'm going to take my base coat again and we're going to put another color in there. Now I'm not going to concentrate so much at the cuticle area because I don't want to get that too thick, like a reddish orange iridescent. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this glitter in here as well, just to give it a little bit more glitter. Alright, go ahead and do a flash cure after you've got your second glitters in there. Let's do this one. You guys can put the glitter in all together, but I'm just doing it like this. So I'm actually encapsulating what's already there and then applying more. I'm just not going by the cuticle so much because I don't want to build that up, you know. That's beautiful. I love this color. Once you have your glitter placed, go ahead and cure. I'm going to go in with my regular foil glue as a peel-off method. She uses this all the time also. She was the one who actually got me started on using this foil glue as a peel-off method, and it freaking works great. Take my Makartt Cosmo Black. This is a 50 ml tube that they are now selling on the Makartt website. It is gorgeous, you guys. So I'm gonna do kind of like a French on this one and this one right there. Now the Cosmo Black has a lot of glitter, a lot of different colors. Alright, so I'm just gonna make like an elongated French. So kind of like that. Then that looks pretty good, and then we'll put it on with some clear gel just for about 30 seconds. Pull it down. Alright, go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. I'm going in with my clear polygel now. And I'm going to put enough in there so I can meet the black. So go from one side to the other with your clear. Go ahead and fill in any spots that are missing. Go ahead and apply the nail from cuticle to free edge. Once you feel it hit your free edge, go ahead and give that a cure. And we have the nails on. Now I'm going to take my Makartt top coat real quick, and I'm going to go ahead and cap everything with the clear top coat. Alright, I have the Makartt Glamour Goddess collection here. I'll show you the colors real quick. I'm not using all of them. Okay. So I'm going to use the purple one, and then I think I'm going to use nude one. Tia does a lot of, she does a lot of art, hand drawing on her nails, so I figured we could do a little outlining with the French and stuff like that. We're going to outline the black. It's going to be a pretty thick outline, okay? That's still wet. I'm going to take the dark purple and we're going to try and outline it. We're going to add some of that to that one. Okay, that's fine. Okay, before that dries, I'm going to take my gradient brush here before this dries, and I'm going to pull the purple into that other color. So then you get something like that, okay? Ooh, that's fun. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and cure it so it doesn't move anymore. I'm gonna take the same color here and we are going to polish the nail with that color. Alright, and while that is still wet, I'm going to take a dotting tool and I'm going to dip into the dark color here. I'm just going to make some dots. Trying not to touch the dotting tool to the actual nail. Okay, I'm going to let that set and spread. And what you could even do is take your gradient brush and you could like go through there, but I think I'm just gonna leave it alone. I like the dots. And do a full cure Guys, I'm gonna use some Enail Couture gems. I think I'm gonna use these black ones, and then I'm gonna use one of his hearts and one of his cluster gems. My Makartt rhinestone, tried and true, love that stuff. Rhinestone glue. Put a dot right there, and put one right there. Put the black one right there. And then I'm going to put some of the black ones here. Alright guys, last but not least, take your top coat and let's top coat those nails. Alright, go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. Last but not least, some Makartt cuticle oil. Rub that in real good. And ta-da! There we go, ladies and gentlemen. We have some TiaBellaBeauty nails. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I did fairly good. I thought I had really messed up when I put these lines with the gel polish, and then I was like, you know what? Let's just do something funky and use that gradient brush, and I think they turned out pretty darn good. But yeah, she likes a lot of glitter. She likes using gel polish. She does a lot of hand art. So I figured, you know, some dots is easy for me. So heck, why not? I think they turned out cute. Let me know what you guys think. Would you rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comment section down below. Would you wear these for fall? I mean, I know it's not your traditional fall colors, but I think I would definitely wear these for fall. I like them. Tia, I hope you like them too, sweetheart. I had a great time. I always do when I collaborate with her. Guys, go check her channel out. I promise you will not regret it. She does a lot of tricks, a lot of tips, really good information. She shows you how easy it is to get beautiful nails. So head on over to Tia's channel. I will link it down below. And with that said, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you think of them and if you watched Tia's video. And I'll see y'all in the next one. I hope you all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Bye.